Are you tired of hunting through Klaviyo's menus just to change your password? Discover the exact 6-click path to secure your account in under 2 minutes. We'll start in your profile menu, then walk through each password field and finish with the Save button. All right, start by clicking on your profile, which you'll find in the lower left corner. Then, from the drop-down that appears, go ahead and click on Settings. Now, within Settings, look for the section labeled Login Password. Go ahead and type in your current password. Then, type in your new password in the field that follows. To double-check, verify your password by entering it once more. Once all that's filled in, just click Save and you're done. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.